Hey guys, what's up? This is Mag Hughes, and I'm bringing you a new Minecraft Let's Play series. Uh, yeah, so guys, what's going on? Please like the video, comment, rate, and subscribe. I like reading comments, so please comment and like if you like the video. I'll be making more. This is just the beginning video of my Minecraft Let's Play series. So, I already had this world loaded. I haven't done anything at all. This is the world I'm going to be using for my Minecraft Let's Play. And, yeah, so, let's get started. Gather some lumber. Hate these kinds of trees. Got some frame rate so far. Hopefully, doesn't ruin the video. Let me turn the volume down just a second. Okay guys, sorry about the frame rate. Hopefully it doesn't continue. So, I'm just gonna gather some lumber, like I said before. So guys, don't have much to talk about yet in this episode, so, crafting table, set this thing down, put some sticks, make a pick. I like these picks. Oops. Sword, my sword pick. So let's get some stone first. I'll upgrade my pick and I'll just keep my sword. I already made it, so I'll just keep it. Oh, coal. Wow, that was nice. Coal already. Usually I get, I find coal randomly like this. Like, I'm looking for coal and I go to dig my base because I can't find any coal. And while I'm digging, I just find a ton of coal. So I'm mining that with my stone pick. Because wood takes a while to mine stuff with. Stone wood pretty quickly. Hopefully there's no interruptions in this video, because I know no one likes interruptions, neither do I, so I try to make my videos as best, or go as smooth as possible. There we go, 18 coal, let's get some more stone. I consider making that my home. Stone axe. I'll also make some torches. 36 torches, to be exact. And I'm going to gather all of the lumber. These are the trees I hate the most, because they're almost like impossible to get the wood out of it. Like, I wouldn't say impossible, but they're really hard to get all the wood out of them. And they're just really really ugly. I really don't like them. Rather any other kind of tree, you know. A bit more wood. I'm not sure I'm going to be cutting this episode off at, but we'll see. Right now I think I'm good on supplies, so I'll just exploring a bit. A mini sword, which I've never picked as a weapon in real life. Ooh, rooms. Look at that. Shrooms. Yeah, shrooms. Really cute. Whoops. Dropped it. Darn it. Oh, more coal. I'm hitting the coal jackpot right now. I haven't found this much coal in a while. Just by exploring. Scary music, scary music. I'll just be leaving this cave and I'm gonna be climbing up this mountain right now. Done it. Failed that jump. Do it again. Finally got it. After the third attempt. First, second. That wasn't as bad, yeah, at least on the second attempt. That's very. I haven't seen anything like this. It's weird. Ooh, trees. Oh my goodness, more coal. More coal. Nothing there. A very dark cave. And I'm just not getting looking at these caves. Find a few caves and they're puny little crappy ones. And piece of stone. That's a big opening for a cave. Ooh, nice open kind of plain-ish area. I'm gonna make my house here. One door. This is just my starter.